Hello everyone. In this video we will see how can we convert our textbooks, novels and other readable files to audio with just few lines of code in Python. So it's very simple and quick. So let's start. First of all, here I have just created a folder with the name audiobook and which I have a novel named a girl named Willow Crimble. So now I'll tell you how you can uh, create a readable audible files. So first let us create a file, say audio file. Okay, so before starting we need some things like pip install pyttsx3. So I have already installed it, sorry, just spelling mistake. Okay, so it was not installed, it is installing. Okay, so the second thing we will need is pypdf. Pip install pypdf2. Okay, so after installing these two packages, let's move toward our code. Import pyttsx3, and the second thing will be import pybdf2. Now from tkinter, if you haven't installed tkinter, please install it also. Dot file dialog, import static. So now we have to initialize our book. So there are two options. We can simply write the name of the file here or we can ask the user to select the file. So we will ask the user to select the file. So now pdf reader equal to pypdf2 dot pdf file reader, and here we will pass our book. So here we have to give the pages. It will simply return the pages pdf reader dot num pages. Now we will need a loop to read all the pages. So for num in range, for num in range, so 1 to pages. So you can give the number here from where you want to start your book, like 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the second thing is page is equal to pdf reader dot get page. Here we have to pass number, and text is equal to page dot extract text. So now initialize it. Layer is equal to pyttsx3 dot init, and layer dot say. Here we can pass text. Okay, so here's one more thing. You can change the rate of the player as well. So like usually the computer is too fast, so we can slow it down by player dot set property, and here rate comma, let's say 120. Okay, so now here simply player dot run and wait. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we can check it now. So here's the dialog box that opened here. So you can select the file from your computer from anywhere. So I'm just selecting the file from my correct directory that I have saved earlier. It's basically a novel with the name a girl named Willow Crimble. So let's run it.
One Willow Crimble could not remember the last time she was so nervous. Her heart was racing at what seemed to be a thousand beats per minute. Beads of sweat rolled down her freckled forehead, as most of the CAF Eteria looked on in anticipation at what EY hoped would be the first fight of the school year. It was an accident, oh, muttered Willow. It just slipped out of my hand, oh. I just had my hair done yesterday and well, look at it, oh, Shayla Sturgis shouted. Oh.
So here it was reading this file. So like this you can read any file, or you can convert your textbooks, your novels into audible files. So if you want to save it, like you want to convert the file and save it, simply you can do it by player dot save to file, and here you have to pass the file, like my file is text, and then I have to write the name of the file from which I want to save it. So let's say test.mp3. so by doing this you can simply save your file. So that's all for today's video. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. If you have any problem doing this, just comment it, I will respond. Thanks.